Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to link Instagram to Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to link Instagram account to our Facebook account, we'll be going through the Facebook app. So let's open up our Facebook app on the phone first. And on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, just below the messenger icon, you can see the tree-lined icon with a person. Tap on that tree-lined icon. And over here, you'll be required to again tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here again tap on the Meta account center, which is at the top of the screen. And over here, guys, you'll be on this interface. You'll be required to tap on profiles again. And over here, guys, you can see the add accounts button available at the bottom of the screen. Tap on add accounts. And after that, you'll be required to log into your Instagram account over here by entering your phone number, username or email address, whichever you like, and after that enter the password of your account. And after that, guys, tap on login, and then your Instagram account will be linked to your Facebook. And then, guys, this is how to link Instagram to Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.